Greetings, machine officers. It is election morning and we're going to put the machine together before we turn it on. So here's how we're going to do that. The first thing I did was I emptied everything out of this bin, and that would include the black carrying case, the clear plastic bin with supplies in it, and the file box with the folders and all the ballot stuff for the ballot officer. So this is an empty bin now. Before I start, I want to make sure I have everything on hand that I'm going to need to do this. So first of all, I start with my directions. Okay, I found those in the on the top of the case in the zippered compartment. I'm going to have these ready to go. I have a helper at some point that's going to read these out to me. I have opening and closing codes for the OVO and the OVI, and those are in the Chiefs box in the accordion file. I have keys, I have a zip tie, and I have my ballot header page. Okay. Also, I have a power strip that I have plugged in, and the light is on, so I know the power strip is charged and ready to go. Now I'm going to slide this top, okay, right on nice and easy here so that the tabs all fit in there. Good. Got them, good. Okay. Now, first thing, as soon as I get this box on top, I'm going to seal the back of it, okay, because we don't want anyone to walk up and do that and dump our machine on the floor. So this is really first things first, so the machine don't get dropped. There we go. Okay, now nobody can open that, and also it's pretty basic security. It's pretty basic security against anybody tampering with anything as the election goes on. But you're going to be at this machine all day watching what's going on. So once I have this, I have the OVO unit, part in my back, that I'm going to slide onto these rails nice and easy that are right here for us. Okay. I make sure it's got that nice snug fit in there. Again, immediately after I put this machine in, I'm going to lock it down so that it's stable and it will not come out. So I just take these keys. 1, 2, she's locked in. Alright, she's not going to fall out. That's great. Now, once I have everything locked in, ready to go, okay, I've got the ballot box slid in. I have locked it. I'm going to turn the page on my thing, and I'm going to connect the power. Again, make sure you have secure connections. In the back, where the power comes out, push it in and make sure it's secure. Sometimes with the travel and everything, it'll come out and you won't find the power. So then I have everything I like. I plug it in. Okay. And if I flick it on, I should see, okay, power to the red light, power to the printers, okay. So now the machine is plugged in, it's ready to go. I'm going to lift the screen from the back, flip it, we're ready to go, okay. We're going to let the machine boot up, and while we're going to boot the machine up, we're going to go set up the OVI, and I'll see you in a minute.